common question I'll get is how to scale a part, and specifically how to scale a part to a specific size is if it comes in at some weird scaling factor. Of course, under our transform submenu here, we've got the scale option. Down at the bottom, prompts us select objects, select that, hit enter. It'll ask for base point. Usually just hit enter. It's going to scale it up based off of this point here in this case. And then, of course, you want to make this twice as big. You just type in 2, and that's fine if it's drawn at an exact scale, like half scale or double scale or whatever the case may be. If it's drawn in metric, you want to scale it down and you don't want to re-import it, you can do the 0.03937, or of course the other cool thing is you can do math in that any of those input boxes. So if this were drawn in metric, let me just scale it up by 25.4. So this comes in and this is 208 inches across, and so obviously this was drawn in millimeters, need to scale it down to imperial. Can do your scale command, base point, hit enter, distance 1/1/25.4 for division, and then it would be scaled down. So then the other scenario is, yes, this comes in and was scaled down for some paper size, and this is supposed to be, let's say, 12 inches. You could of course do the math also in that box to scale it up, but a handy command sometimes is the scale. Again here, enter, base point, enter, and then down at the bottom here you got this reference option, so you can press R on your keyboard or click on this and prompt you to specify distance. Turn on my snaps, so endpoint from here to endpoint there, and then you type in what that distance is supposed to be. So that's supposed to be 12 inches, just type in 12, and now that'll all get scaled up. And one final thing, you cannot scale a part. So if I create a part out of this and then I realize that it's the wrong size, the scale command will not work on a part. So if you get to this point and then realize that it's the wrong size, you simply need to use the explode on your CAD tab to bring it back to its CAD elements, and then you can use your scale command. Any questions on that? Let me know. Thanks.